Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid Touring. This four-door van has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chrysler has less than 103,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 29 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free auto check vehicle history report. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link. Spare tire kit, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.